Cherry blossoms anywhere in our village. This is flowers of plums, tree of plums, and this is apricots still coming. And this is also apricots now already fall down all flowers and already leaves coming. As you can see, you see the leaves. Flowers fall down. Also over there is also cherry blossoms of plums, and also over there that is cherry blossoms anywhere in our village. That is flowers of apricots, tree of apricots, and this is plums, and this is our apricot here, but already fall down the flowers. And this is from my mother-in-law or brother-in-law house down. And also this one, this is cherry blossoms, flowers of plums. Yan. And this is cherry blossoms of apricots, still coming flowers. Also over there, so many cherry blossoms of plums, also apricots over there. As you can see, our goats here in our field, our goats, mashallah, they are 9. And also over there is also cherry blossoms, and also this one all flowers fall down but already coming leaves here. Yan. Now we can go from here so we can see cherry blossoms of plums over there. That is flowers, cherry blossoms of plums. Oh, over there, yun yung bahay namin sa taas. Yun. Oh. Our onions, and over there that is garlics. You can see that cherry blossom, beautiful cherry blossom. Our goats here also here. Yeah. There is also one here, I think, too. Goat. There. There is 2 hair goats. Ayan. And the rest over there in our field. Hmm. Cherry blossoms of plums. But there is already leaves. Yan. Doon ako galing sa baba kanina. Yun, nakikita nyo yung mga kambing doon. Andun sila kayo. Yan. May video ako dyan sa baba ng mga cherry blossoms ng plums. Yan, nakikita nyo. So, dito na ako sa taas. Galing ako doon sa baba. Dito na ako sa taas. Ito naman yung apricots. Cherry blossoms flowers ng apricots. Yan, pa lang, rating pa lang yung mga flowers. Yun, naman, plums din yan. Cherry blossoms ng plum. Yan, yung maliit na tree ng plum. Ayun, marami doon, kasi malaki yung puno. Yan, lapitan natin. Yan, oh. Yan. Yun doon, meron din doon. Yun. Yun sa may, malapit sa cemetery, private cemetery namin. Oh, yan. Ang ganda, diba? Meron din dito, Ang ganda ng flowers. Naka-attach dito sa, aywan ko anong, tree ito na flowers. Yan. Oh, ayun marami. Yun, mayroon din doon sa taas. Yun, mayroon din doon. Kaya lang din na ako akyat doon. Yun, nakikita niya yun doon. Oh. Yun doon. Oh. Tapos dito din. Oh. Yan. So, punta tayo dito sa ano. Galing ako doon sa baba kanina doon. So, dito na ako sa taas. Yan dito, may ano dito, plums. Malaking puno ng plums. Oh. Yan, daming cherry blossoms. Flowers ng plum. Oh. Yun. Yun, meron din doon sa taas. Oh. Yan. Ayan, lapitan natin yung ano dito para ano makita natin yung mga flowers, cherry blossoms ng ano plums. Kaya lang may mga dahon na din. Yun doon, malapit sa cemetery. Ayun. Ayun. Ito naman ay ano peach yata ito, peach. Oo, peach yan. Oh. Ang flowers, cherry blossoms ng peach ay the same sa apricots. Pero peach ito. Ayan oh. Yun. Ayan oh, tingnan niyo. Ang daming flowers oh.